Hello everybody. Today I'm going to start the process of restoring this Ladybug scooter. Right? As you can see, it is covered with some sort of pleather on top of a foam backing that is starting to come apart. My two girls love it, so the plan is to first remove all of this, and I'm not quite sure what the easiest method will be, but I'll try a few, and get it to a good base, including the front red part, or the back red part and the front black part. And then once all that's removed, clean it up, and then paint the whole thing, starting with the black in the front, the red in the back, and then adding, after everything's dry, adding the Ladybug dots back to it. So, stay tuned, and this will be a learning process, and maybe we'll find out a few things on the way. Thanks, everybody. Alright, now that I've got all the old vinyl off, as you can see, I'll show you what I used. Usually just use my hands for the most part, but then I've got this non-woven abrasive pad. This one's actually from Norton brand. It's a company I used to work for about 10 years ago. Still have some samples. So I used that, and that helped me with the surface prep, but of course I don't want to paint right over this because there's little fibers and little pieces of abrasive in here and whatnot. So I want to clean up the surface, and then I'm going to start painting. For the paint, show you what I got. Just from your local Walmart, some basic acrylic matte paint, black, of course, for the front and the polka dots, or spots, whatever you want to call them. And same thing, the red for the back. So I got a pretty big bottle. Hopefully that's enough. So we shall see. So next step, clean up the surface, get it prepped, along with blue painter's tape, so I don't paint anything I don't want to paint. Lord knows I've been there before. All right. Alright, so here you have it, final product. So I ended up using a Sharpie actually to color these in, and that worked pretty good. But there was a little bit of discoloration, so I ended up going back over with paint, but the Sharpie seems to work pretty good. So, I don't know, all things considered, I think it turned out pretty good. Not bad, huh? Alright, thank you everybody.